Welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video I'm going to be walking around the installation that we've carried out on this absolutely stunning Land Rover Defender 110 TD5. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. Today's video I'm going to be walking through exactly what we've upgraded this particular vehicle with. So I'm going to be starting off with the functionality that we've added in. So up top, what we've done is converted this vehicle with a double-din conversion kit to allow for a double-din radio. What that now features is an Alpine 702D unit featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as the fact we can add DAB into this vehicle as well. One of the coolest things as well that we've also done is added a camera into that Alpine unit as well. So that's positioned up at the top. We do a couple of different solutions for this. We've got the top camera, as well as we've got a camera that can also mount down at the bottom, which you'll see in a couple of other Defender videos as well. In terms of another feature that we've added onto this vehicle is parking sensors. So we've added in rear parking sensors. We can also do front parking sensors as well if you wish. With all Defender upgrades, the best thing to do is come by, book an audio consultation, which is live on our Defender page on our website. We'll sit down with you and we'll go through everything inch by inch so then we can design, spec and then install your new system. So not only have we added functionality in terms of actual user compatibility with the car, connectivity wise, so you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now linked up onto the new head unit. So you've got all your maps, text messages, WhatsApp, everything's now live on there. Plus you now got hands-free as well. One of the cool things as well that we've also upgraded this particular vehicle with is a nice straightforward speaker upgrade in the front. So complete stock look, we're using the Audison Prima APX4s, which is a 4-inch coaxial speaker, which is mounted right underneath the dash. We do loads of different upgrades for this sort of vehicle as well, so we can do full custom sound systems. However, if you just want something like a nice little subtle upgrade, we can do things like we've done today. So this vehicle will actually be coming back very shortly to have full soundproofing done on it, and we'll do another video on that then. However, it's just to show you the upgrade that we've carried out, adding functionality as well as also your parking aids, adding in reversing camera as well as rear sensors. So just to show you what's actually possible, what it looks like when you have your work carried out by ourselves here in Cambridge. But if you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, if you like this video, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date for all our future videos. Thank you very much guys for watching and we look forward to working on your Defender soon.